Hello.
Hello everybody. Welcome to the Daniel, I was going to say our surname. No, just kidding. What day is it today, my love?
Today is anniversary day.
3 anniversary.
We will be eating again.
Eating as always. And today is a special day for 2 reasons. Wedding anniversary and 900,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
All today.
Yeah, oh, thank you guys.
And I knew it was going to happen today because I only got Rhazel one present to cover both. So I knew today it was gonna be a big day. So
you gave me a ring.
Gave her another ring.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Looks really nice.
Looks very shiny.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Mwah.
3rd year, guys.
I thought we were only going to make it to 2. So this is a big surprise for both of us. We made it this far.
Who would have thought?
Not me, I tell you. I said 2.5 at best. So.
We have lobster with brown sauce. Marami pa akong brown sauce doon, pero konti lang yun muna yung kinuha ko. And then baked scallops. If you want to see the vlog where I cook this, I'll leave it up there.
How's the scallops? You already had some.
I just tasted a little bit.
How is it?
I like it.
You like it?
So it's got butter, garlic, and cheese.
Okay.
And I added what do you call this? Breadcrumbs.
Oh, good.
Good?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, good.
Alright, let's eat, guys. Kain muna tayo. Meron din kami mga questions dito. We ask you guys questions on Instagram. Thank you as always for participating. Wait, so, oh my gosh.
Can I start off with a question that I don't think Ray's included, but we had a laugh. One of the questions was, if a boat was sinking and I had to say Rhaze or Zachary, who would I choose?
I didn't include that for a reason. Why would you include that?
Zachary, I would say. He's my man. You'll swim back to shore.
I can't swim.
You'll learn.
Poor me.
Kidding, babe. I'll save you. I'll save you.
No, you need to save both.
I'll save both. Zachary first and then Rhaze. He's younger. You gotta save the children, my love.
Have you seen him swim?
Probably swims better than me.
Zachary will save us. Kain muna tayo.
I'll find an English question. Okay, here's one. What are your thoughts about getting married at a young age? I'm against it, actually.
You are?
Yeah, I am.
I was gonna say whenever you're ready.
When I say young age, I think it should be...
Good.
I reckon a woman can be a little bit younger than me, because guys are a bit immature. So, yeah, I think the youngest a woman should get married is around 23, 24, 18 to 22.
That's young age for you?
That's be too young of an age to get married.
Okay.
I know, still finding out who you are. What's your thoughts, my love?
Well, I feel like if you're ready and you found the one, ready ka na talaga, financially, emotionally, spiritually, lahat ng li, then go for it.
Alright, well that's just an opinion. So.
Yeah. We always have different opinions in life. That's why we reached 3 years.
I like this one. We had a bit of a laugh when we heard this question. To Dan, choose which one you're more afraid of. The virus or the wifey? I like that one. I'm probably more afraid of the wifey actually than the virus.
Aww.
Oh yeah. She gets real moody and mean. I'll tell you guys one day.
Sarap, guys.
Alright, answer this one for me, babe. Would you rather always be 10 minutes late or 20 minutes early?
We're always early.
We're always early.
Yeah. Respect each other's time.
Yeah, I know pet peeves is people being late.
Yeah, si Dan sobrang ayaw-ayaw na talaga yung nalilate. Especially sa work. I know we have Filipino time, pero nung nag-move na ako dito sa Australia and kasama ko na si Dan, wala na, hindi na uso sa akin yung Filipino time. Kapag sinabing 2, wala pang 2, nandun na kami. Well, that doesn't happen all the time kasi depende din sa mga kasama. Kung alam ko naman na malilate yung mga kasama, depende din talaga sa sitwasyon. Pero kapag trabaho, wala. Hindi talaga pwede kay Dan yan. Naiinis talaga siya. And malalaman mo talaga kasi sasabihin niya talaga sa iyo, hey mate, you're late.
Huh. What would I prefer Rhaze to wear every day?
Good question.
What would you prefer Rhaze to wear every day?
Every day?
I'd probably say different outfits. Like today, she wore a cape. I'm not a cape person.
Cardigan!
So more girly clothes than... Yeah.
It's cold, babe. What do you expect me to wear? A tight dress?
That cape wouldn't have kept you warm.
It did!
It wouldn't have. No way. It was paper thin.
It wasn't paper thin.
Paper thin. So more girly clothes. Dresses, skirts, singlets.
No. Hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. Okay, I'm gonna try this baked scallops. Na-try ko na yung konti lang yung tinry ko para lang to check ba kung luto na ba talaga siya. That's good, babe.
Who farts most and who has the smelly farts?
That is the most asked question. Seriously, everyone wants to know if we fart around each other.
I don't. Do I fart?
Can you be honest, please?
Okay, I fart all the time and it stinks.
Wala kasi siyang pakialam. Kung nauutot siya, uutot siya kahit gaano pa yan kalakas, wala siyang pakialam. And ang baho-baho, promise talaga, ewan ko na lang talaga sa kanya. Nanonood kami ng movie, tapos bigla na lang, parang pinipilit na talaga ba na palabasin, nakakainis.
I like this question. If you met your 23-year-old self, what would you say to him or her?
23.
23. Do you
Where
remember
was
where you
I? 23. 23. What year is that? 23. 2013. Yeah, I was working overseas.
What would you say to yourself back then?
You'll be happy soon.
Okay.
I wasn't that happy.
Yeah.
Parang lilipas din yan, Rhaze. Tiis-tiis lang. How about you? Keep having fun!
Exactly. I was like, keep having fun.
Keep it up!
I was like, keep on having fun because it's all gonna fall into place.
Yeah.
It's true. Like it just.
Party! Woo! Someone asked us well if you know how to dance.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Very good.
The best. The best.
Bakit nga sumayaw?
Was your wedding an elope setup? Keen to know because we're planning.
Elopement.
Elopement. So, no, wasn't an elopement. It was just a small wedding. But it was all planned and that. So
It was very intimate. Less than 50 people.
yeah, I was reckon 30 something people in the end.
Yeah, including kids.
Is this all mine or half of this mine?
You
Babe?
can have that. All that.
Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Immediate family lang. And then yung best friend ni Dan, hindi nga niya in-invite yung iba niyang friends. Yung best friend niya lang talaga yung in-invite niya. So very intimate, but it was very well planned. As in, Dan did a really good job. Di ba usually yung babae yung nagpaplano? Siguro yung na-contribute ko lang dun is yung wedding dress ko. I'm telling them that you planned pretty much most of it.
All of it.
Yeah.
95%.
95%. Tumutulong lang ako. Yung bouquet ko, ako yung pumili. Dress ko, ako pumili, of course. Yeah, and he did a really good job. It was a really good
That could be
wedding.
my next career move. Wedding planner. Alright, here's another one. I know this is not a question, but Rhaze, please force Dan to do his own vlogs.
I don't force him. Ayoko kasi na mag-vlog siya kasi pinilit ko siya. Hayaan na lang natin siya. Kung gusto niya mag-vlog naman yan eh. So obviously, hindi niya gusto.
I know, I was gonna vlog today.
Both?
Last night, I didn't want to say anything to you because I didn't want to disappoint you, but I thought, oh, you know what, I'll vlog today.
But you didn't.
I slept, I was really tired. I had a nap today instead.
You had a nap. Tinry ko mag-nap kasi tagal ko din nakatulog kagabi. Wala, hindi ako nakanap.
Danny. There you go, Danny. What did you do to Rhaze? She's blooming with grace. What did I do to you, my love? When you and your partner disagree, what do you say to resolve it?
We just agree to disagree most of the time. Because we have different opinions. Like,
Who's right?
well,
Me or you?
me.
Yeah, okay.
Alam mo yun, we're mature enough to accept na that's your opinion, this is my opinion, respect it. So, we agree to disagree, don't we, my love? You know? And I think that's fine. Kasi ang daming mga kaganapan sa mundo na magkaiba kami ng opinion na Dan. Because if we agree on everything, that would be really boring. Won't it, babe?
It would be.
Yeah. Magkaiba naman talaga tayo lahat. So that's fine. Oh, I like that question. If you had to spend 1 million in one day, what would you buy?
$1 million, not pesos.
Yes, $1 million.
We'll go dollars. Pay the land off, and then we'll give money to family. Whatever we give My side will give Rachel's side the same, so there's no arguments. Fair reckon? The leftover money will buy an investment property for when we got kids, so the kids can have something.
Yeah.
There we go. I like this one. This is a clever one. If you could be in a reality show, which reality show would you choose, my love?
Pinoy Big Brother.
Pinoy Big Brother? Okay. The Bachelor. Nah, I wouldn't be The Bachelor. I would want, not Big Brother. I don't want to be stuck in a house. See, Ray's likes being stuck in a house. I want to be stuck in a house. I'd want somewhere where could have some fun. Not the Big Brother.
Married at First Sight.
Married at First Sight. I'd love those dinner parties. Yeah, I'd love it. Yeah, Married at First Sight. That'd be awesome.
You'll start the gossip all the time.
I'll be the gossip. I'll be the gossip queen. Definitely.
That's a funny question.
All right. Would you rather have children that grow 8 feet tall or 3 feet tall? That's easy.
What?
8 feet tall.
Really? That's too tall.
8 feet tall.
That's gonna be like.
They'll be professional sports people. They'll be athletes like Dad. NBA players. They could be footy players.
That's way too tall, babe.
No, that's to be an unbelievable height. So you prefer him to be this big? Seriously. Danny, what sports car would you like to trade right now? I'm not a car person, am I, babe?
She's not really a car person.
I don't know anything about cars.
Just think of something.
I'd want like a big black European car.
Okay.
Or,
is that a sports car?
Or a Lamborghini.
There you go.
There you go.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini's pretty cool.
That's
with the doors that open up like that.
That's gonna be impossible though. We will not have a Lamborghini.
Nah, we'll never have a Lamborghini.
That's way
What's
too
this
much.
question, my love?
May pagkakataon ba na naiinis ka sa pagka-overprotective ni Danny Boy? Is there times where you get annoyed of how overprotective Danny Boy is?
Nope.
Nah.
I'm never protective.
No, it's not overprotective, pero alam mo yun, sinasamahan niya ako sa public toilet kasi lagi naman ako nasa-toilet. Tapos nakaabang talaga siya sa labas. Tapos kapag mga nanonood kami ng movie ng mga girls, lagi niya sasabihin na huwag kang umalis mag-isa kasi yung parking lot, just in case. And Australia is like pretty safe para sa akin. So kung ako lang, okay lang ako. Pero ayaw niya. I like it. Kasi alam mo yun, parang ganyan nga siya sa akin, how much more sa mga magiging anak namin, diba? Lalo na kapag babae. So maganda na ganyan siya ka-protective now. He's being protective and it's fine. Ano na pong plano nyo in case po na hindi mabenta yung bahay? May regrets po ba kayo? What are your plans just in case the house doesn't sell? Do you have any regrets?
If it doesn't sell?
Yeah.
No regrets if it doesn't sell.
Nah.
If it doesn't sell, we'll live here for a few more years.
Yeah.
So we're hoping it does sell, but the market's not good at the moment.
Tinanggap na namin ngayon na hindi siya mabibenta because nga sa sitwasyon natin ngayon. So okay lang. At least we are giving it a try. Kasi kapag nabenta, parang wow! Again, do not stress over things you cannot control.
And if it doesn't sell, the house is looking really nice at the moment.
Yun.
So if it doesn't sell, we'll get to enjoy the house for another couple more years.
Yeah.
And freshly painted, gardens are looking good. We've done heaps of decluttering, so it's actually nice now. It's really good.
Kaya nga, sabi nga ni Dan, gusto niya, ayaw na niya ibenta kasi ang ganda na ng bahay.
Here you go.
Time or money?
Time or money?
Time.
I go time.
Yeah. Yan naman laging sinasabi namin ni Dan. Hindi mo na maibabalik yung mga panahon. Yung pera, kikitain at kikitain naman yan. Are you considering pursuing your nursing career? Keep safe kayo dyan. Love from NZ. Thank you.
I reckon one day you might.
I do think about it. Kaya lang parang iniisip ko, pinastop nga ako magtrabaho kasi 'di ba over na. I'm not closing my doors at all.
Who spends the most money?
You.
You really? Really? Yeah, on what? What do I spend the most money on?
Just in general.
Nah.
Don't you think?
Nah.
We can go through our bank accounts and see. We can go through our bank account and see who spends more money. I'm pretty sure it's you. Not that it matters. I don't care. I just think it's you.
Okay. I spend money every day.
Yeah.
Because I'm out and about. So I might go to the shops and...
Because I work from home, I don't spend money on gas. I don't have a car loan. My life is very low maintenance. I work at home. Maybe you think I spend money because like...
When she spends money, she spends money.
That's right. So that's
Yeah.
why maybe you think I spend more money. But if you accumulate all the money that you spend, malang.
I spend a little bit, a lot. And I spend... and when you spend big, but not as much.
Yeah.
To Dan, what's the strangest Filipino food that you've eaten? Do you want to eat it again? Ha ha ha. Balut, never again.
Never again. Never say never.
Never say never. Probably never.
I'm
Probably
pretty
never.
sure you will try it.
Probably
again.
never. How do you comfort Rhaz when she gets affected by bashes? Do I comfort you, Rhaz?
I don't really
I
get
don't-
affected.
I don't really comfort her either when she is.
Do I really get affected?
Rarely.
Yeah, very rarely.
Yeah, rarely.
It's more than actually. Pag may nabasa siya, bigla na lang, oh, i-ano ko to ha, i-block ko to ha. Sabi ko, sige, block mo. Sasabihin niya kung ano yung comment. Okay lang naman sa akin.
Do you guys consider growing your future kids with Tagalog words? Tagalog words. Happy anniversary. Oh, Rhaz can, but probably not. In reality.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be really easy to say, oh, I'm gonna teach them Tagalog. But you wanna teach them how to like.
Does any of your
talk
friends'
first.
kids speak Tagalog?
I don't know.
Don't know.
No. I'm not sure if Tagalog or Bisaya, but I will try. Pero I don't think it's going to be a must. Depende kung ano mangyayari. Hindi natin alam talaga. Have you started building your house?
Not yet. Still waiting for approvals.
Yeah, gosh. Ang bagal-bagal ng
We won't start,
taong-
hopefully, I'm thinking it won't be until August, September this year.
May tao kami ngayon na siya yung nag-draw ng plano, meron na kaming plano, kailangan na lang siyang isubmit sa council. Pero before siya isubmit sa council, kailangan pa namin mag-send ng engineer doon para i-check, what's the engineer gonna do again?
Oh, I've got no idea.
Like inspection something, and as soon as that's done, isend namin sa council, and you know what happened? The engineer inspected the wrong block.
Yeah.
So, complete waste of time. So, we had to do it again, like schedule another day to come back and inspect the right one.
Next question. What if one of you guys didn't remember your anniversary?
It's gonna be really hard.
Really hard. 1st of April.
April Fool's Day.
If one of us forgets it probably means the marriage is probably over. True? Yeah.
That's gonna be really hard to forget.
Yeah.
Like, the 1st of April. Someone asked as well, why April Fool's Day for your wedding? We didn't really think about April Fool's Day. We just feel like, yeah, April Fool's Day, so.
I just thought it was a good date.
It was a good day. Like, a day we will never
We
forget.
could have done the 8th. The 8th was available, or the 15th.
Oh, 8th was available?
Yeah, it was
8th is a really good date.
I like getting married on April Fool's Day.
I like 8.
I like the 1st.
I didn't know that was available.
I planned the wedding.
Hindi kasi. Wala kasing pakialam sa plano sa wedding. That was a Saturday kasi, and we needed Saturday para sa pamilya ni Dan na galing Sydney para mag-fly dito. So, and April 1 is good. Like, everyone will remember our wedding anniversary.
When you have a baby, can I help with names?
Aww.
When we do have a baby, I want Rhaz to do a video or call out for name suggestions. I just want to see what names
I
people...
have really good name suggestions. Dan doesn't like it.
When Rhaz gets pregnant, we'll let you know. And when there's
Sige.
time for a baby, we'll let you out for suggestions. And if we choose your name, we'll send you $1 million.
Bullshit!
Well, okay, we won't. Rhaz said no, we won't. So we'll just give you a shout out if we could. so much cheaper.
We don't have $1 million. Grabe yun. Dollars ka pa dyan?
If this pandemic problem didn't happen, how would we spend our anniversary other than being at home? We would have just gone to a restaurant, maybe a movie.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. That's all. Next one is, what's your parents' opinion about you both having kids?
They're very excited.
Yeah, my mum would be very excited. She's already got a few grandkids, and I think Rhaze's family
Yeah.
would be excited as well.
You know what? It is going to be the first in my family
Yeah.
if we have a baby.
Oh yeah. Well, unless your brother's got someone pregnant, it would be.
No.
Well, you never know. You never know. It's getting old.
Because I'm already 29, pero wala pang apo sila, sila mama. Pero sa side ni Dan, ang dami nila apo. Pero sobrang excited yung mama niya, as in. Pinipressure ako ng bongga. Do you like the scallops?
Yeah, they're alright.
Wow! Ang dami mo nang naubos. They're alright ka dyan. Iiwan ko yung ito. Kain din bukas.
I don't quite get this question, so explain it to me. If you're given one only option, what do you like to go for a date? Lesbian or gay?
If you're given only one option,
what do you like to go for?
Who do you like? Maybe who would you go for a date with? Maybe
Okay.
a lesbian or gay.
Couple lesbians, I'll go with.
A what?
I'll go with lesbians.
No, it's just lesbian, not lesbians.
Well, can I take two?
Just one. No.
Okay, just one lesbian I'd go with. Rose will choose a gay guy. She loves a gay guy.
I love gays. Namiss ko tuloy yung mga kaibigan kong vaklita. Real estate advice, please. How does one with a mortgage transition to buying a new house?
There's a couple ways you can do it.
Sige.
You can get like a bridging loan.
What's that?
It's like a loan in between buying another property. So you can get like another loan. It's normally for a short period. If we bought another house, we could have got like a loan, like a highest interest rate. And it's like a bridging loan where we can buy the other place, and then this one sells, that one goes towards it, sort of. It's hard to explain, but yeah, it's called a bridging loan. So I didn't explain it too well. This is what I would do. If you want to find like a long-term home, it can take a while to find the right house. It could take 3 months, it could take 6 months, it could take 12 months, who knows. So it was me doing it. If we had to do it differently, it'd be similar. We would sell this house, we would rent for 12 months, like get a 12-month lease, and in that 12 months, we would find another house to buy. So you could take your time that 12 months to find the right house, so you're not under pressure. And then you know exactly how much you can spend. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I hope that makes sense. It probably didn't make sense.
Dito kasi sa Australia, it is wiser to have a house and pay mortgage, but it is cheaper if you're renting. You know what I mean? If you own a house, what are the rates that we pay? Council rates,
Water rates, energy
rates,
service levy,
yeah.
insurance.
Sobrang daming bills kang babayaran if you own the house. If you're renting, you do not have to worry about that because the owner pays for it. So if you want to buy a new house, char naman ako, may pa-advice talaga ako. If you don't want to keep that house, if you are moving to like a new house and you want to get rid of that house, sell it first para alam nyo kung magkano yung meron kayo, and then rent for a bit.
If your house is completely paid off,
Yeah.
you could buy another place and not worry about renting but if you don't have 2 mortgages. If you had 2 mortgages,
That's gonna be too hard.
then the pressure starts to build on you.
Yeah.
Like after a few months of paying 2 mortgages, you
Yeah.
start. So if your house is paid off, you can buy another house straight away without renting because the other house doesn't cost you as much, but you don't want 2 mortgages. Yeah.
Yeah. If you can now, hammer the mortgage. If you can. Yun yung ginagawa namin na Dani. Kapag may extra talaga kami, diretso talaga sa mortgage. So, hindi na ganun kalaki yung problema namin, alam mo yun? Sino ang malikot matulog? Ako. What if Ate Ray's lose the wedding ring? What will you do? Wedding ring? Engagement ring?
You can't lose that.
I think engagement ring. What will you do? Will you be mad at me?
Depending on how you lost it.
What if someone took it from me?
I wouldn't be mad.
You wouldn't be mad? I'll just say someone took it from me then.
Say you went to the beach with your girlfriend and you were in the water and you lost it, I wouldn't be too happy.
Yeah, because that's recklessness.
Yeah. No, someone robbed you and then shit happens.
Yeah? So you'll just buy me another one?
No, I wouldn't buy it. We'll just...
There's a lot of people asking, what would we do after this pandemic is over? What's the first thing you want to do?
We'll go to the Tower Hotel for a crispy burger.
Ah, crispy chicken!
And
Yeah, that's a good one.
yeah. Maybe the football's on, we'll go to the footy or the cinemas,
Yeah.
the movies. Probably eating out's good. We eat out a bit, we haven't done it.
I suggest you get a dog or a cat.
Okay, if we had to get one, a dog or a cat, what do you choose?
No, they are suggesting we should get a dog or a cat.
I know, they're suggesting, but what would you want, a dog or a cat?
Dog!
Cat.
You seriously want a cat?
A cat.
Now you're just joking.
I want a cat.
Now you're just saying that because I want a dog.
No, I'm serious, I would want a cat.
You don't want a cat?
I want a cat.
Be honest, babe.
Hey, and being honest, I've had cats when I was growing up.
Yeah, but you had dogs as well.
A cat.
Whatever.
I want a cat.
Iniinis niyo lang ako.
I want a cat.
Mukha ay buang.
No, I want a cat.
Natatakot kasi ako sa cat. Feeling ko ayaw ng mga cats sa akin. Ginagano nila ako lagi. Natatakot ako sa cats. The farting question again. Everyone wants to know if we fart. In Kuya Dan's side, he is a twin. Are you ready to have baby twins?
Definitely.
Oh, wow, you are.
Oh, triplets. Give us triplets.
Okay, you carry the triplets.
I'll carry the triplets.
Uy, keep this, huh? I'm gonna eat that tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you like the fresh better or the frozen one?
I actually like the frozen one better.
Gusto niya ng twins. Gusto niya talaga ng twins. Pero hindi niya ako iniisip. Just imagine me, guys, having twins. Triplets?
Mission impossible.
Mura jo buang.
Mission impossible.
Hindi talaga siya nag-ano. Do you guys sometimes get annoyed with each other?
All the time.
I know Ray's does, but
All
how
the
about
time.
Dan?
I get noise raise every day.
Every night.
Every day.
Kapag natutulog kami sa gabi, mahilig ako maghag-hag. Kasi noon, nung wala pa siya, meron talaga akong pillow. Tapos yun talaga yung nahag ko. So mahilig na talaga ako maghag. Tapos ngayon, na may asawa na ako, of course, asawa ko ay hag ko, diba? Alangan, doon ako sa pillow.
Tell them what I did the other night.
Hinahag ko siya.
Middle of the night.
Kapag natutulog ako, naka-blanket talaga ako. No matter how hot, naka-blanket talaga ako or naka-quilt. Yung quilt ba? Tapos si Dan, yung quilt under him. Kasi ayaw niya mag-quilt. Kasi naiinitan siya. Sobrang magkaiba yung katawan kasi namin. Ako sobrang mabilis lamigin. Siya naman sobrang naiinitan lagi. Hag ako ng hag sa kanya. Nagising ako in the middle of the night. Yung paa niya na dito sa mukha.
I slept upside down so she couldn't hug me. My feet were on my pillow, my head was at the end of the bed.
Sabi ko, pag ano ko, bakit paa na to
And I
ni
slept
Dan?
like a baby.
Paa na to ni Dan? Sabi ko, tawa ako ng tawa na in-explain niya kinabukasan. Nayaan ko lang siya kasi natulog na naman ako. Pinapansin ko, sabi ko, ano ginagawa na itong tao? Bakit nasa ano talaga siya? Yung ulo niya nasa paahan ko, yung paa niya nasa ulo.
Or it reminds me when we went to Cebu with Sissy and we had to stay one night in the hotel and I was sick of Raz hugging me. I booked a room with 3 single beds so I could have my own bed and I could have like without her hugging me during the night.
Parang buang, pero kinonect din namin yung bed. Tapos kasi alam ko na ayaw niya. Lagi ko na tuloy siya hinahag para inisin siya. So gabi-gabi naiinis siya sa akin. Since the two of you loves to eat and travel, if I am food and a country, what would I be?
Okay, what country? Antarctica. Just isolated. Like it's a very antisocial country. True? And cold-hearted.
Grabe siya
True?
sa akin. Baby, it's our anniversary.
I know. So,
What food am I?
a green sour mango. What food am I? What country am I?
You are America.
Because I'm all... I like America.
You're
So
America.
I am
America's
America.
really big.
Really big. Donald Trump supporter.
How do you easily understand Kuya Dan when his accent is far different from us Pinays? I don't have a choice. I have to understand.
You're
or
used to
else.
it.
Yeah, I'm used to it now. We talk all the time.
About once a week we have a chat.
I talk to him on the phone, so I know how he sounds like on the phone. Alam mo yun. Dan, what is the most insane thing you heard from someone about you marrying a Filipina?
No one said anything bad to me.
Okay.
To my face. So
I don't think they have the confidence to say it to your face.
no, they would. I'm nice.
What did your mom say about me?
Don't do it. She's gonna take all your money.
Is that really what your mom said?
No.
Stop saying that then! Oh, sino sa inyong dalawa ang mas bongga magbigay ng gift? Who gives extravagant gifts?
You.
Is it extravagant?
You go more overboard with the gifts than I do. I'm not a present person. So I don't need presents in life.
That's why I like giving him presents because he doesn't really like splurge para sa kanya. And mas gusto niyang mag-splurge para sa akin kaysa sa sarili niya. Alam mo yun? Pero ang nahihirapan ako, hindi ko na alam. Like, I don't want to give you any more watches.
I know, I got a lot.
Ang dami mo ng watch, but I'm running out of ideas. I really do not know what to give you anymore.
Nothing, don't give me anything.
It's hard. Bakit ang saya and parang ang almost perfect nyo as a couple? Why are you guys always happy and you're like almost perfect couple?
We're not perfect.
No way near.
We argue, we fight.
Are you still making babies even now that you guys are very busy with house stuff?
Now we've decided for the next 5 years, we're just going to be concentrating on house stuff only. That's our focus at the moment.
Why don't you just live in Sharon's house instead of renting an apartment?
I like that idea. Would save a bit of money. Mum, we're going to live with you. If we don't live with you, because Rhaze doesn't want to live with you, but I want to live with you. I want to be close to my family, Rose. I want to be close.
Babe, please.
I want to be close.
Nah, I don't think kaya ko. I don't think I can do it.
Rose couldn't do it. Nah, and she works from home and she wouldn't feel comfortable vlogging and that, so nah.
Mahirap kasi bahay kasi yun na yung workplace ko. So
we need our own space. We'll drive. I'll drive my mum crazy as well.
Yeah.
So, nah.
Grabe. Kapag ito magkasama, yung siya at saka yung mama niya, wala siguro sasabog yung bahay. We were gonna live there nung pinipinturahan yung bahay. Kaya lang social distancing to the highest level. What is Sharon's first reaction when you told her you're gonna marry your ex? Be honest. See? Even the subscribers are telling you to be honest. Because they know that you lie all the time.
She was disappointed.
Was she really?
Because no one in my family is smaller than 5 foot. So she was...
Babe, be honest!
I am being honest. So she was worried that the DNA of the family is going to be a short family in the future. So that was her concern. I said, Mum, don't worry. I'm almost 6 foot, so hopefully our kids are the same. So she's still worried, but we're going to get through this together. Okay, I can't remember what her reaction was. I don't think she really gave 2 craps, to be honest with you.
He didn't tell her.
I told...
You told your brother and your sister first. You told your mom late because you didn't want her to make like comments.
Mum's very judgmental.
Poor Sharon.
Very judgmental.
Just bashing her right now.
Doesn't know. She doesn't think here. She comes from here first. She talks before she thinks.
I know. She's really nice.
She's really nice. She just talks.
Natatakot si Dan na baka i-judge daw ako ng mama niya before ako ma-meet.
Does she talk before she thinks?
So, nah. She's just very friendly. She talks to everyone.
Does she say stuff when she shouldn't say stuff?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay, all the time.
Pero si Dan, sinabi niya sa kuya niya, sinabi niya sa kambal niya yung tungkol sa akin. Pero hindi niya sinabi sa mama niya. Kasi nga natatakot siya na baka i-judge ako ng mama niya, hindi pa nga ako nami-meet. So you told her about me. I think I was already here and like the day later, I'm going to see her. So that was nerve-wracking on my part. Thank you very much. Yeah, hindi niya kasi sinabi. Sanay na yung mama niya, yung asawa ng kuya niya, Vietnamese, yung asawa ng kambal niya, taga New Zealand. So multicultural ang aming family. Diba? Can you still both feel the killing?
The killing? I can feel the killing. It's right now.
Being married for 3 years.
I definitely want it.
How? Killing is like giddy.
I know what killing is.
Nah, I think it's more than killing now. I don't think it's just...
It's like simmer down.
Nah, it's more than killing. If you do something really good, I just like, that's really good. I chose a good one. Alam mo yun, he does stuff na parang, you just surprise me. I know you're a good person, but sometimes, parang, alam mo yun, may mga ginagawa siya na parang, aww. Who initiates cuddles? Dan?
No.
Who's more sweet, Dan?
Me.
What will you do if you know that you're pregnant with your ex that you broke up a month ago?
Ooh. But that's a good question. What would you do? I like that one. Last question to finish on.
I'll take the baby. Okay. If we broke up and you get me pregnant, thank you very much. See you later.
Yeah, for me.
What would you do?
I'll keep the baby as well. My baby.
Maybe you're 19 years old and you know that you got your ex-girlfriend pregnant. What would you do?
When I was 19?
Yeah.
I'd run.
How about when you're 25?
Run.
Run again. 30.
Run a bit slower.
Stop saying
I'm
that.
serious.
No, you will support.
No, honestly, back then I would have run, to be honest with you.
When you were 19.
19.
But when you were 25.
Run. I probably would have run. I'm serious. That's true.
Run to the pub and party.
I would run. Not these days, but back then I was young and dumb and immature. And
How important is communication?
Very important.
Very, very important.
Almost as important as good Wi-Fi. Isn't that true? Wi-Fi is pretty important.
Have you experienced almost breaking up before you got married?
With us?
Yeah.
Raz is... We're just going to go flat soon, babe. Come on, what are we going to do?
Sige na! Raz is...
Wonderful. She's a wonderful wife.
Alright, that's it! Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Dinner was good. It's really good. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Bye.
Bye.
We made it. Mamamatay na yung battery ko. Bye.
Bye. Mwah.